Welcome to Lucid. My name is Matthew McWaters, and today we're going to be talking about growing organic traffic. In part two of this series, we're going to specifically be talking about using long tail keywords. Now, in part two of this series, talking about long tail keywords, we're going to discuss an example of building organic traffic, what organic traffic is, the tools you'll need for your research, what long tail keywords are, how to find long tail keywords, and how to use long tail keywords. Now, this is an example of a site that we did in 2019 for Alaska Ammo. Before we designed the Alaska Ammo website, their organic traffic was pretty bad, and they were on the third page of Google. After about 7 months, we were able to get Alaska Ammo to the first page of Google and the first spot on the first page. We're able to do this because we focused our efforts on increasing the organic traffic to their website through several key search engine optimization strategies, which we'll cover in this video series, Growing Organic Traffic. Now, organic website traffic is really important, and we're going to define that for you. So the term organic traffic is used for referring to visitors that land on your website as a result of an unpaid search result. Organic traffic is the opposite of paid traffic, which defines visits generated by paid ads. Visitors are considered organic if they find your website after using a search engine like Google or Bing or Yahoo. So they're not referred by any other website. Organic traffic is obtained from the appearance of the site in the search results of a searcher who performs a search in a search engine like Google, Yahoo, or Bing. Organic traffic is free traffic, and this aspect being what makes it the type of traffic that website owners want the most. You want as much organic traffic as possible to your website. We're going to talk about the tools you need. Some of these are paid tools and some of these are free tools. So to grow your organic website traffic, there are some tools that we'll suggest for you. SEMrush is a good tool to use. It's about $83 a month. Ahrefs is another great tool you can use. It costs about $82 a month. You can also use a free resource known as Google Keyword Planner to find long tail keywords. So what are long tail keywords? Long tail keywords are those 3 and 4 keyword phrases which are very, very specific to whatever you are selling. You see, whenever a customer uses a highly specific search phrase, they tend to be looking for exactly what they want to buy. In virtually every case, such a specific search are far more likely to convert to sales than general generic searches that tend to be geared more towards the type of research that consumers typically do prior to making a buying decision. In other words, people who are using those long tail keywords are going to be more likely to buy from you because they've already made a purchasing decision in their mind. How to find long tail keywords? There are 2 ways to quickly find long tail keywords in SEMrush. You enter a seed term into the keyword magic tool. You use advanced filter, word count to include 3 or more words. You can also navigate in SEMrush to the SEO toolkit and enter a competitor's domain, select organic research, click the positions tab, filter by top 20 positions for the most relevant terms. You can filter these to 2 or more keywords to show you the long tail keywords that you're looking for. Free resource is Google Keyword Planner, like we mentioned before. Google's Keyword Planner is an easy way to find long tail keywords without having to pay for it. Open up the Keyword Planner and select Discover New Keywords. Enter in your primary keyword and hit Get Results. Scroll through the list and look for 3 to 4 word phrases that meet the type of keywords that you want to use within your content. Here are a few tips on using long tail keywords. You want to define content purpose before you can efficiently integrate long tail keyword search phrases into your blog, your post, your website. You have to define the purpose of your content. It's extremely important that you do that. Understand your buyer personas. Creating and maintaining a buyer persona is extremely important. It makes content marketing easier and more effective and is a component of your keyword search tool. It helps you to avoid creating the wrong content for the wrong audience or targeting the wrong list of keywords. So it's really important you understand your buyer persona, and you develop your long tail keywords around that persona. Write content based on selected long tail keywords. So content creation is tough. It's an adventure, and it's really hard, especially when you're not passionate about writing. You can make the process so much easier for yourself by simply planting the right seeds in your content. Create your anchors. The anchor text is the part of the text that link is clickable. When you hover over mouse the anchor text and click it, you're taken to another web page, either on the same site or an outside site of the domain name. It's important that you create anchor text because Google and Bing and the other search engines, they see that, and it creates a site hierarchy structure, which is important for your rankings in the search engines. Now, when you're using low-hanging long-tail keywords, it's good to understand that you create your content to include long-hanging, long-tail keywords in your content. We talked a little bit about long-hanging fruit keywords before in a previous video. Go look at that video. We'll show you how to do it, and then you can add your long-tail keywords in there as well. Don't, and I express don't over and over again, don't stuff your keywords. Be sure not to stuff your content with a lot of long-tail keywords, as this can make your content unappealing to your visitors, and it can also have an adverse effect on your search engine results. Google looks for this, Bing looks for this, Yahoo looks for this. If you're packing a whole bunch of keywords in there, whether they're long-tail keywords or not, Google will see it, Bing will see it, Yahoo will see it, and they will penalize you for it. Before we finish this up, I want to say, create your content around your buyer persona. Do your keywords research for your long-tail keywords. Make sure that you create those context and that content around those things so that you can use them in a manner that's going to appeal to your customers. And as we close, thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. You can also visit our website at www.luciddms.com for great deals on all our web design services. Thank you so much for joining us. Have a wonderful day.